Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of English Hoot. Today's lesson is going to be a little different. We're going to slow things down. That's right. Today's topic is slow English listening and fluency practice. We'll speak clearly, slowly, and naturally so that you can understand every word and improve your listening skills. Whether you're walking, cooking, or relaxing, just listen carefully. Try to understand the words, the rhythm, and the feeling behind them. And remember, learning English is not about rushing. It's about understanding and enjoying the process. Part 1. Why slow listening is important. Many learners think that fast English is the goal. They want to speak and listen like native speakers who talk super fast. But actually, slowing down is one of the best ways to train your brain. Yes, when you listen to slow English, you give your mind time to notice patterns, like how words connect, where the voice goes up and down, and how sentences flow. Exactly. Think of it like learning a new song. When you first hear it slowly, you can understand the melody. Later, you can sing it faster. That's such a good example. Listening slowly helps you feel the language instead of just hearing it. And it builds confidence. When you understand slow English clearly, you start to recognize the same words and phrases in real, fast conversations. Part 2. Listening for meaning, not words. One common mistake English learners make is focusing on every single word. Yes, if you try to understand every word, you might miss the meaning of the sentence. For example, if someone says, "I was just about to head out when it started raining," you don't need to focus on each word. You just need to understand that they were going somewhere, but rain stopped them. Exactly. Listening for meaning helps you follow conversations naturally. So, next time you listen to English, a podcast, movie, or this episode, don't panic if you don't understand one or two words. The key is to relax. Focus on the message, not the dictionary. Part 3. Slow speaking helps fluency. Here's something interesting. Speaking slowly can actually make you more fluent. Really, some people think speaking fast means being fluent. True, but fluency is not about speed. It's about flow, being able to express ideas smoothly, even if you pause sometimes. Yes, if you speak slowly, your brain has time to choose the right words. You make fewer mistakes and sound more confident. Plus, when you speak slowly, your pronunciation gets clearer. Listeners understand you easily. That's why even native speakers slow down when they give a speech or talk to someone new. So, slow speaking isn't a weakness. It's a powerful technique for fluency. Part 4. Listening practice. Example dialogue. Let's do a short listening practice together. We'll read a small story slowly. Great idea. Ready? Here we go. It was early morning. The sun was rising slowly above the hills. A young man named David was walking to the bus stop. He listened to birds singing and felt the cool air on his face. He looked at his watch and smiled. He thought, "I'm not late today." Every morning, he tried to catch the 7 a.m. bus. But today, he had time to breathe. When the bus arrived, David sat near the window. He opened his notebook and started reading English sentences, slowly, carefully, repeating them in his mind. He whispered to himself, "The more I practice, the better I become." That's a simple story, but it shows something important: how calm, slow practice builds focus. Yes, if you understood most of that story, it means your listening is improving. Part 5. Daily listening tips. Now, let's talk about how you can practice slow listening every day. Tip 1. Listen to short English clips, not long ones. Choose a 1-minute audio and listen 3 times. First time, just listen. Second time, read the transcript if possible. Third time, repeat what you hear. Tip 2. Shadowing. That means listening to a speaker and repeating after them like an echo. Yes, shadowing trains your mouth, ears, and brain at the same time. Tip 3. Listen to the same episode every day for a week. Each day, you'll understand more. And tip 4. Don't forget to relax. Slow listening is not a test. It's training your ear to hear clearly. Part 6. Common phrases to practice slowly.
Let's give our listeners some simple phrases they can repeat slowly at home.
Perfect. Repeat after us if you can.
How are you today?
I'm feeling good. Thank you.
It's a beautiful morning.
I'm learning English every day.
I speak slowly. I think clearly.
I understand more and more.
I'm proud of my progress.
Step by step, I'm becoming fluent.
Nice. Repeating short, slow sentences like these helps build strong speaking habits.
Part 7. The power of focus.
One more thing about listening slowly, it teaches you focus.
Yes, in today's world, people multitask too much, but language learning needs focus.
When you listen slowly, you're training your attention. You start to notice pronunciation, emotion, and rhythm.
And that's how real understanding happens, when your brain connects sound and meaning together.
It's just like meditation. You slow down, breathe, and truly listen.
8. Overcoming frustration.
Sometimes learners get frustrated. They think, I've been studying for months, but I still can't understand everything.
Yes, that's totally normal. Understanding fast English takes time.
The secret is patience. Every time you listen, even if you don't understand everything, your brain is still learning.
Right. You're training your ears like a musician trains to hear every note.
So don't give up. Slow practice is not slow progress. It's strong progress.
9. Real life listening practice.
Here's a fun idea. Practice with real-life English sounds.
Like what?
For example, watch YouTube videos with captions. Listen to weather reports, travel vlogs, or short news clips. Then replay them slowly.
That's a great idea. You can also use the speed control option. Play videos at 0.75x speed.
Yes, that's perfect for training your ear. Gradually move to normal speed when you're ready.
And don't forget, even children learn by listening slowly first. 10. Slow listening challenge.
Okay, listeners, we have a 7-day slow English challenge for you.
Each day, choose one short audio clip or podcast episode.
Day 1, just listen. Don't worry about understanding.
Day 2, listen again and note down new words.
Day 3, read along with subtitles or a transcript.
Day 4, repeat out loud, slowly.
Day 5, try shadowing. Speak right after the audio.
Day 6, listen again without reading.
Day 7, summarize what you understood in your own words.
Do this for just 1 week, and you'll see a big improvement in your listening and speaking. 11. Encouragement and motivation.
Remember, learning English is not a race. You don't have to be perfect to be proud.
Absolutely. Every small step counts. Every minute you listen, every word you understand.
You're already improving just by listening to this podcast.
And if you ever feel stuck, go back to slow practice. It always helps.
There's a saying I love. Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast.
That's perfect for English learning, too. When you go slow and smooth, fluency comes faster than you expect. 12. Recap.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about the importance of listening slowly to train your brain.
We learned that slow speaking improves fluency, clarity, and confidence.
we practiced with a short story and daily phrases.
And we gave you a 7-day challenge to build your listening habit.
Remember, understand the meaning, not every word. Focus on rhythm and emotion.
And enjoy the journey. English fluency is built one calm, clear moment at a time.
Outro.
Thank you for joining us on English Hoot. We hope you enjoyed this slow and relaxing episode.
If you liked it, follow our podcast and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep going, even slowly.
Because slow progress is still progress.
Exactly. See you next time, and until then, keep smiling and speaking English, one word at a time.
So those were our words for today. Try using them in your own sentences. That way they'll become part of your active vocabulary.
Thank you. That was super helpful.
Vocabulary with example.
Fluency, meaning the ability to speak or write a language easily and smoothly. Example, practicing every day will help you gain fluency in English. Intonation, meaning the rise and fall of the voice while speaking. Example, good intonation makes your speech sound more natural. Pause, meaning a short stop or break while speaking. Example, it's okay to take a pause if you need time to think. Accent, meaning a particular way of pronouncing words that shows your background or region. Example, she has a lovely British accent. Listening skill, meaning the ability to understand spoken language. Example, listening skill improves when you focus on slow English audio. Pronunciation, meaning the way a word is spoken. Example, your pronunciation improves by repeating after native speakers. Comprehension, meaning the ability to understand what you hear or read. Example, slow listening helps improve your comprehension of new words. Confidence, meaning the feeling of being sure about yourself and your abilities. Example, confidence comes from practice and positive feedback. Habit, meaning something you do regularly and automatically. Example, make English listening a daily habit for faster progress. Phrase, meaning a small group of words that form a meaning together. Example, learn useful phrases instead of single words. Conversation, meaning a spoken exchange between two or more people. Example, slow listening helps you follow real conversations.